Chug, chug, little train, down the track, going fast, then coming back. Toot, toot, hear the whistle blow. All aboard, let's go, let's go. Chug a chug, hear that sound. The little train is homeward bound. Toot, toot, loud the whistle goes. Watch the little train as it flows. Through the meadow, past the trees, rolling by with so much ease. Over bridges, under skies, waving to friends as it flies. Clickety-clack, clickety-clack, the train goes forward, never back. Green fields stretch so wide and free, onward, onward to the sea. Clickety-clack, clickety-clack, around the bend and down the track. Little train, red and blue, we'll ride along the whole day through.